Hello, friends. Good morning, and you're welcome back to the channel. As usual, compliments of this great season. It's wonderful to have you here. And as usual, the science never waits. We continue to discuss and enjoy ourselves with science. Today, we just want to look at the concept of classification, taxonomy, and grouping of organisms. Now, and systematics also. Now, it's important for us to note that nearly about 2000 years ago, Aristotle, who was one of the first philosophers and scientists, had already looked for methods of classifying organisms. He found out that organisms were so much in nature, different types, plants, animals, and he tried to classify them for ease to help students with understanding and to help with the grouping of organisms. So he classified on the basis of putting them in two broad groups, plants and animals, and that's what Aristotle did. Then many other scientists came and worked on this process. Now, very important among scientists that worked upon this process of classifying organisms is a Swedish botanist called Carolus Linnaeus. Now, Carolus Linnaeus was the one who brought the binomial method of nomenclature, meaning that he gave organisms two names. He decided that organisms should bear two names, a species name, a genus name, and a species name. So when you say something like Homo sapiens for human beings, Homo is the general or the genus name, and sapiens is the species name. So he was the one that this is Carolus Linnaeus was the one who designed this method, and this is important for us to note. Organisms are they are what we call taxonomic ranks. So when you talk about kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus or genera, and species, this refers to taxonomic ranks. So it's the different steps that organisms occupy when you're trying to classify them. You're trying to put them in different groups, and many of these classifications are on the basis of evolutionary relationships. So these are important for us to know and understand as scientists. Now, when we talk about nomenclature, which is the simplest, nomenclature simply talks about giving names to organisms. You want to be able to know, give a particular identity to a particular organism. So when you talk about nomenclature, you're talking about the giving of names to different organisms. Now, you can also talk about what we call taxonomy. Now, taxonomy has to do with